You excited to get this 335?
Huh?
You excited to get this 335?
Yes, sir. You know it.
So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we woke up pretty early. We've been at the bank for what, like 2 hours? I'm just kidding. It's been probably like an hour. So we're at the bank right now. I think today's the day, bro. Today's the day. 335 M Sport.
Yes, sir. M package and everything.
M package, M bumper.
Yes,
M side skirts, M rear, M exhaust, M engine. Oh. Yeah, so we're still at the bank. We have to wait a little bit longer. So obviously, if you guys seen my last videos, you guys already know the E90's gone. It's done. And it got totaled out. We actually got cashed out by the insurance, so the insurance sent us a check. Right now, I have my dad's actually, because everything was under my dad's name when Axel kind of took over it. So my dad's in the bank right now. He's trying to cash out the check, but there's like an issue, so we've literally been waiting, and he's on the phone with the representatives trying to cash it out because we already called the dealership. We're headed to San Jose. It's probably like 2 hours away from us. We're headed out there trying to look at the car and hopefully buy it, because everything we checked the Carfax and it's legit like perfect. It's the perfect spec. It's stick shift, which that's the most like exciting part. So yeah, if everything comes out good, I think today might be the day that Axel finally gets. I know the E90 was technically like your first car, like you owned it and stuff like that, but it wasn't really a car that you picked out and that you wanted. Everything kind of just got transferred out, you know. Like I just kind of give you the car, and well, obviously not give you the car, but this bum ass fool paid only $800.
You're lost.
And you thought it was a loss. You're like, oh, blah blah blah. You always kept complaining about the $800. I'm like, bro, that's a big win, bro. $800, and you totaled it, and you got cashed out. Even though it was my car, you should have given me half of it.
Nah,
I
paid you out.
But anyways, so yeah, this like I said, technically this is like his car. Like he gets to build it the way he wants it. Obviously, I'll say no to his like rice ass decisions that he makes.
Rice, more rice, bro.
But so yeah, this is technically his first car. I'm really excited for him. I can't wait to see the car. I can't wait to show you guys the car. I think it's gonna help bring other BMW people to the channel, because it is a big car. I'll show you guys the car when we get there. But I mean, a 335 is eventually gonna come to him. Like he's always actually that's actually one of his dream cars. I'm not gonna lie, the M54 engine is definitely like a monster, and he definitely wants to build one of these days. But right now, we saw this car, we saw a good deal. Like it has everything that we kind of like dream of on the spec. Well, I'm not even gonna mention it because I don't want to spoil anything. But let's wait this out. I'm gonna wait for my dad to come back, hopefully with the check and everything's good. If not, then we're gonna have to wait for the check, and I'm gonna pick up probably the next few clips is gonna be from another day. Hopefully not. The next clip, hopefully you guys see, is from today at the dealership. But we're gonna find out. There's a big old line at Bank of America, so we just gotta wait it out, and hopefully everything comes through.
Eventually.
Sick ass fool. Alright guys, so we just got home. This is crazy. Seeing an M3? Sheesh. German license plate? Seeing an M3 in our driveways. It's crazy. I can't believe it. Look how wide this thing is. Sheesh. It looks so good. So I'm gonna go over what the car has. Should I do it this video? I'm gonna do it this video. So obviously red interior. That caught my eye. Big time. Stick shift, which is crazy. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the carbon fiber roof. This is the only reason why I told Axel this probably like my dream spec would be carbon roof, red interior, stick shift. It has 2 out of 3, so I call that a win.
Let's go.
2 out of 3 still wins. Let me bring up this window. You have the keys?
Yeah. Want them?
No.
Like pop the hood.
I'm gonna pop the hood, bro. Shit hella hot, bro. Rod bearings blow.
Carbon? Coming soon.
There's a bunch of things coming soon. You guys don't even know. This car looks so good. Dude, take off the license plate. That should be the first thing you do. You know what? Look at the sticker right now. Oh, you guys already know, bruh.
Gotta be representing, you know.
And then the only thing that we found that is kind of broken, one of his rims is like bent, so we have to fix it, so it kind of shakes a little bit. The crazy thing though, once we saw the car, we're like, oh, this fool probably put springs or whatever, because I mean, it didn't look like it was on the best shape, because everything, you see a bunch of like scratches and stuff. Obviously it's 2008, so we expected a little bit, but it was a lot. But it already has an exhaust. I don't even know who makes this exhaust. What does that say?
Oh, Megan Racing.
Oh, it's a Megan Racing, just a muffler, huh?
Yeah, just the muffler.
Okay.
Sounds nice though.
Megan Racing muffler. It does have, and it's supposed to have this dampening feature, and I guess it does work because it's actually connected. It's connected. It's good. Can you lower it even more? I'm just kidding. It's pretty low actually. I mean, yeah, I guess. And then this is kind of tucking a little bit. On some of the turns, it actually rubs like a tiny bit. But it's not too bad. Before we put this on, we hit up Patrick and Alex to slide through. What's up, eh?
You like the 328?
Yeah. You like it? 335?
It looks sick. It's a 328, huh?
Yeah.
328. You guys just put the 335 badges on it?
Yeah.
Jeez, I like the wheels though. Right. Clean ass 328, huh? Yeah.
Clean as 338.
What? It's an M3? It's an M3? Shit, M3?
This. It's a 328. What do you mean? Oh, perro. Hey, Axel, these are real
M wheels?
these are real brakes.
What do you mean? It's the same shit.
No,
Wait,
bro.
This didn't come with Sport Pack? This one didn't come.
Oh,
Those are real brakes, bro.
You like my 328?
What's up? You like it, Alex? You like it, Alex?
Okay, wait, you got an M3?
Yeah, fool.
You like the 328?
Yeah, bro, I like the 328. It's a nice upgrade, bro. Oh, you're talking about that rice. Oh, never mind. Throw that shit away. I thought this was yours.
This is rice, Alex?
Bro, what the fuck? Is that red interior?
Yeah, fool.
Is that painted, bro?
Yeah, I'm not yours.
You really think you can beat a 335?
Bro, I know so.
All right, let's go here.
Bro, I'm full bolts on with the big ass single. What are you?
And then I want to throw up my food.
That's why
Yeah.
I feel like every time I eat something, I just feel like
Yeah.
ocean there.
You're fucking tripping.
I'll start when I go straight.
This fool, you still trying to run it or what?
So probably myself.
Sheesh. Patrick believed it was actually 335.
No, I believe it was 328.
And he looked at the M badge, he's like, what the fuck?
We did us?
No, I was like, what the fuck? It's an M?
It's fucking clean. Like in person, like it's hella wet. Like I'm not even playing. Do you want to take a ride out? Jeez, bro, this car looks fucking amazing. Chill, bro, it's hella late. Imagine. Is it stock or what?
Huh?
Is it stock or what?
Yeah.